Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time. But today we're going to be installing quite a few things. We got the Cervini C-Series grill, the upper and the lower, as well as the ZL1 add-ons wicker bill. And for the grill, I even got a little white coyote emblem because I'm going to try to start going into a blue and white kind of theme. So I already kind of did that with the 5.0. And then I'm eventually gonna paint the brakes white. But yeah, that's really it. Let's get into it. First things first. We gotta get into the engine bay. We gotta take off the radiator cover first. So this fancy little trim removal piece. Hope you can see. Yeah, that looks good. Let's just start right here. Whoop. Should come out now. Boom. We need to remove the radiator cover, or no, not the radiator cover, the top support bumpers with, screw this, well, unscrew this. Now, because I have the ZL1 add-ons fender extenders, we got to take those off first. I should probably take off the wheel. Yeah, so I'm going to take off the wheel because I need to get back to the very back fender over there and a fender pin, whatever, and I do not want to fight this. To the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push it. Oh my god, that almost hit my face. This piece right here, can you see that? Yeah. This piece right here is actually for the ZL1 add-ons piece. But this is what I was talking about earlier, is these two bolts right here is how the bumper actually connects on, which is much better than what Ford used to do, which was push pins. I'm just gonna move these two on this side, all these little divots here, and then the ones in the back. We're going to unplug the marker lights on each side. I think we're ready to take the bumper off. Pull this out of here. Alignment pins. It should come on. Let's open up these loom holders. All right, we're gonna use our panel removal tool. So we took out these pieces right here, and we're gonna be reinstalling them with these zip ties. Take off this 8-mile-per-hour crash support bar. That one should be one down here too, I think. Yep, there we go. Now it is time to take out the top grill, and it wants us to go top down, top down, top down, top down. So it's going to be a little bit easier to take it out. It'd be better if you had a second person to push through the other side. Main reason I went with this Cervini's grill is because that Roush blower kit makes a lot of heat. And it does, it's fixed in the phase 2, to my knowledge, like this Roush Phase 2 kit, but the Phase 1 still is in cooling. It's really annoying is because of that, Lund won't even tune it. Ouch! Alright. This Cervini's grill doesn't use the push pins, or like the push clips. They use these clips that actually clip and hold the clip. It's kind of interesting. Oh yeah. Now that looks really freaking good. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta see what this looks like. Oh! Oh yeah! Okay. Alright, so I'm wrong. It kind of does use the old clips. What it does is there's a ledge right here. I hope you can see that. There's a ledge right here and it goes on the back of that clip and it holds it to it. So that's how it's going to align. As far as it's aligned best as I can. So let's start on the outside and kind of work our way in. It'd probably just be easier to take off both if you're doing both, just so it's out of the way, you know. Honestly, it's easier to use my thumb on some pieces. OMG. Wasn't too bad. And yeah, this one is way more blocked up than the old one. I'm gonna just put them all on first. Then I will go back around and tighten them once they're all in place and position. This is a very tight fit. Maybe this would be better with an extension on the screwdriver. Oh, much easier. Oh yeah, that is way better. Seat it into the groove. The four corners at least set underneath as well. Pop it into the groove, you'll feel it kind of set in place. And it kind of pulls it. It's a very nice design. Just gonna get all the rest of these done. And come back. Okay, so I got a right angle drill adapter. I need something. No, that works. Basically. Awesome. Alright, so I finished putting up all the clips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the grill grates in. Oh man, this is gonna look so good. Yeah, let's start in the middle. Kind of work our way out. Let's put the badge on. How does it look? Oh, I love it. The badge is gonna go right. Oh, that's gonna look so freaking good. Extra screw. Oh, shit. So now we're gonna be working on the bottom ones. I'm just gonna be doing the same thing. So we did these clips on the bottom, and we're doing the same thing on the top. Installing all the grill pieces, all the clips and everything. So this part is done. So the next part we're gonna have to do is we gotta put back on this 8 mph crash support with the double-sided tape that they provided. So, a little diagram that tells us where. Okay. Alright, so I found my spray bottle and I ate some lunch. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean off the front bumper right here. Yeah, let's just put it here. Just get all the dirt off. Give the double-sided tape something to stick to. Now I'm kind of contemplating if I should put the vinyl sticker on just to make it look better. Yeah, why not? There we go. Oops. Holy crap, that looks good. Oh, that's a perfect path to the air, right into the intake. Full open circuit. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Where's my 10mm? This looks like a 10. It is. I actually find my 10mm. Knock on wood. Emphasize how much better this system is than the old 15 through 17 bumper. Brembo. Alright, so we're going to be putting in some support brackets. So we need a 15mm socket and a 2L. Oh, of course it's over here, right behind this bracket. 15mm socket right there. So the belly pan was absolute nightmare to install because of those brackets, those extra support brackets that Cervini's included. Now, it's a good idea because it kind of helps the support, but whew, it makes it not very practical. But what I'm going to do now is assemble back these wheel guards, or the fender liners, and then put back on my thingies, whatever, the fender extenders, and then install the radiator cover, close it up, lower it down, put the wheels back on. That's it. Well, wheels then lower, you know what I mean. Alright, just finished the install of the front grille. I'd say it turned out very nicely. I really like the addition of the coyote badge up here. Really adds out a pop of color. Also, just finished up the wicker bill. I didn't really video it because ZL1 Add-ons has a really good video on it. So I'm not even going to try, but turned out really well. It's a nice little extra piece of aggressiveness. But yeah, that's it.